Hello everyone, Ray from Babco here. I'm going to talk about some maintenance items on a two-post lift. Lubrication. Cable lubrication, pretty simple thing. You can spray some lube on there. We use fluid film. I've seen people use just about everything, right down to used motor oil in a rag. Honestly, there's nothing wrong with that. Lubricating the pins, the one at the bottom here is very important in that this cable, equalizing cable, not doing any lifting, but they still have quite a job to do. It's pulling a full 180 here. This pin needs to be lubricated, and you're not going to have to take it out. Just put some kind of a spray in there that's got a creep to it and can put some lube in. There's also 2 at the top on both sides as well. So there's 6 of these things on the lift. A little shot of lube in there monthly can really help make them last a very long time. Inside the column where the slide blocks go, you're going to want to spray a bit of lube in there as well. So when it's up this far, you can hit it the back 2 corners, or you can hit it up here. You have to get in behind here where these sliders hit. Otherwise, you're really not doing the job. And then when you put it on the ground, you can do the rest of them. You don't really have to get on a ladder and do it, because if this is on the ground, you stand on that, you can spray the rest of it, and then just it'll travel back and forth. It'll carry the lube. It'll make a world of difference for the life of the slide blocks and the entire lift.